Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word propulsive, its meaning, definition and the example. Propulsive. The definition of propulsive is having the quality of driving or pushing forwards. The synonyms of propulsive are compelling, energetic, vigorous, active. Now let me show the example of propulsive word in sentences are: the propulsive forces are transmitted to the forequarters through the trunk. Venture capital is the propulsive force of the high-technology industry. The jet plane has a greater propulsive power than the engine-driven plane. Thus, the best streamlined position without any propulsive force is undesirable. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.